Now let's say if I want to divide a line in the ratio of 3:4, okay, then how do we do it? Let us understand. So first I should be having a line. So let us make a line. That line, once again, the length of a line will be given in the question. Okay, I'm taking a tentative length. So this is A, this is B, and this length is approximately 9. Okay, this time I'll make it 9 only because I want to show you proper value. So this is 9 centimeter line. Now this 9 centimeter line I will be dividing in the ratio of 3:4. For that, we will take a ruler and then we will just tilt it like this. And there has to be an approximate angle of 30 to 40 degree approx. Okay, there is no rule for that, but yeah, approximately this angle should be 30 to 40 degrees. Okay, so I'll just draw another line over here. Then I will count that how many parts I require in my actual ratio. So it is 3:4. 3:4 means there will be total 7 parts I require. Okay, so for 7 parts, I will be taking compass. I will put it on A. Then I will set a small radius. That small radius can be of any length. There is no obligation for that. But we have to make sure that on this line, there has to be 7 parts we should be able to get. Okay, so looking at this length, I hope that we will get 7 parts. I will lock it and I'll start creating arcs. This is first arc, second arc, third arc. Okay, process of creating the arc, you can see that at every new point we will put the compass needle and then we will just create an arc again. And then it will be repeated up till we get 7 parts. Okay, so 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4 part, we are done. This will be the 5th part. Then this will be the 6th part. And finally, this will be the 7th part. Okay, 7 arcs are done. We can name them as A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, and A7. Now finally, the 7th part should be merged with the end point of the line. So it will be merged with the end point of the line. Okay, till here, if there is any doubt in the process. So now the next step will be, just look at it carefully. I am making a random angle over here. Okay, actually the angle is already there. I'm just putting an arc. Okay, this arc, if you want, you can use compass and you can put it. So we can use compass for that. We will put it over here and then arc will be created like this. Okay. Now you have to understand one thing, that this is the 7th part. I am dividing in the ratio of 3:4. So just check from here that 1, 2, 3, these are 3 parts and these are 4 parts. So if it has to follow 3:4 ratio, then the line should go from here somewhere, from A3. Okay, so what I'll do, I will create another line of the same angle. I repeat, I will create another line, a parallel line like A7B over here from A3. And when it joins this line AB, automatically that will be divided in the ratio of 3:4. Okay, so now to create the same angle over here, what we will do, we'll take the compass. We have not changed the radius in the compass, so it will be same only. We will put it at A3 and we will create an arc. Okay, these arcs you can make as light as you can. Okay, there should be proper light arc. Now, in order to create this angle, I will measure this length from this point till this point. Look at this length. Okay, this is how we measure the angle in the compass. I will take the compass, I will put it over here, and I will cut the previous arc somewhere over here. Okay, as soon as I get point of intersection, my work is done. All I have to do is I have to join a line from A3 to this point of intersection. So joining a line from A3 to the point of intersection will be approximately like this. Okay, once again, due to some limitations of this, I will be able to show you tentative line. Okay, so this line should join. Okay, let me do it with this only. So the line will join with a ruler like this. Okay, and then it has to be parallel with that line. Okay, so finally, I will just mark this point as P, and I have got 3:4 ratio over there. Once again, in my calculation, since it is being done digitally, you can find that there will be some flaws, but please stick to the method. Method will not change. Method will remain the same. If you follow that, then you can very easily get the lengths. Now I'll just do some calculation to show you our actual answer. If you remember, the total length of this line was 9 centimeter. If I have to see that how much will be the length of this three parts, so I will do 3 over 7 times 9. That is 27 over 7, and it will be approximately 7 threes are, then 6 will be left, 7 eights are 56, 3.85 approximately. Okay, we can say that it is approaching 4 value, and the other value will be 9 minus the 3.85. So that value will be 5.15. Okay, now we'll just check that with the help of ruler. Okay, if you will look at the scale carefully, okay, over here, this is somewhere around 3.8. Okay, as I was saying that in my diagram, there will be some error because the lines which I had joined, these are not drawn properly. Okay, method remains the same. There will be no problem in the method. So this is approximately 3.8 and the remaining part will be the 5.1 or 5.2 something. Okay, so now if there is any doubt in the method, you can ask them. I will just apply area of a triangle, the conventional formula what we have done earlier, that is half base into height. Base is A, height is B sine C, and that is how area of triangle is proved as half AB sine C.